In this video, I am going to show you alternative option of round corner plugin. As we all know that round corner plugin is now paid, right? So in this video, we will learn the alternative option of round corner. Let me show you. Let's take one rectangle. Size I am using 2 feet by 2 feet, right? And height I'm using again 2 feet. Let's take a tape tool. You can get from the screen, otherwise shortcut key is T. And corner size I'm using a 3 inch, right? Take an arc, first point and then second point, first point and then second point, first point then second point. Now delete the guidelines, use eraser. First let's take a copy of this corner, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, paste. Now take a push pull and then push the corners. See, our corners are done. Now we have to round this upper side and then lower side also. So use this corner which we pasted. First select and take a rotate tool. I am using red axis, first point, second point and then third point. Now it's done. Again take a copy, move Control and then rotate. Now I'm using green, first point and then second point. This portion I'm using for the upper side and this portion I'm using the lower side. Let me show you. Select, move, pick point and then place in the center. Okay? Select, move, pick point and then paste here. Now we have to select these lines. So you can do one thing, double click, shift and then click. Let me show you again what I did. Double click, shift and then click here because we need these lines only. Now go inside. Normally drag your mouse. Okay? Yeah. Now select the follow me tool and then click here. You can see. Again double click, shift and then press. Now go inside. Take a follow me tool and then click. You can see. Same you can do with the kitchen slab. Let me show you. For example, 5 feet by 2 feet and size I'm using 1.5 inches. From here you can use the measure tape. Center Now arc, click here and then click here. Right. Double click, follow me tool and then click here, you can say.